Hello students, we shall discuss about walls and classification of walls. So wall is a vertical load bearing member and wall fulfills the function of privacy, security and protection against natural factors. Wall supports roof and ceilings. The main purpose of the wall is to divide the space of the building. There are two types of walls, load bearing walls and non-load bearing walls. Load-bearing walls are meant to carry superimposed loads in addition to their own weight. The materials most often used to construct load-bearing walls in large buildings are concrete, block or brick. Here you can see the diagram showing the load-bearing wall. Here you can see how the load has been transferred from the roof to the beam and then to the load-bearing walls. Load-bearing walls always run perpendicular to the ceiling joists of your home. All exterior walls are load-bearing walls and interior walls that are aligned above the support beams are also load-bearing walls. Non-load-bearing walls carry their own load only, and the main purpose of these walls is to divide walls or to serve as partition walls. They run perpendicular to the floor and ceiling. Here you can see the diagram showing non-load bearing wall. Some other category of walls are cavity walls and partition walls. A cavity wall has two separate walls constructed with a gap in between the two walls. The two leaves of cavity walls can be of equal thickness if it is non-load bearing wall. The cavity is normally between 5 cm to 10 cm. It gives better thermal insulation. Cavity walls are constructed to prevent the transmission of dampness to the inner walls. It prevents moisture and they prove to be economical. Partition walls divide the space into two parts. These are non-load bearing walls. These walls are foldable, collapsible or fixed. And partition walls are generally provided for the purpose of privacy. Different types of partition walls. These are brick partition walls, concrete partition walls, glass partition walls, wood partition walls, asbestos or GI sheets, and clay or hollow brick partitions. Brick partition walls. This type of partition are cheapest as well as considered strong and fire resistant. Bricks are reinforced with iron straps or steel bars. It consists of brickwork within the framework of wooden members, namely studs and nogging pieces. Here you can see the slide showing plain brick. Here in this slide you can see the reinforced brick partition. Here you can see the brick nogging partition. Concrete partition. It can be plain or reinforced. It may be cast inside or built from panels or blocks precast in advance. These partitions are rigid and stable along both vertical and horizontal directions. Here you can see the picture showing concrete partition. Glass partition. These may be made from sheet glass or hollow glass bricks. Sheets of glass are fixed in the framework of wooden members, dividing the entire area into a number of panels. Glass block adds to the architectural beauty and also provide good daylight. They are soundproof and fireproof. They need care and they also need maintenance. Here we can see the picture showing glass partition. Wood partition. This type of partition walls consists of a wooden framework either supported on the floor below or by side walls. Such partitions are not fire resistant and the timber forming the partition is likely to decay or be eaten away by white ants. The major advantage of using this partition is it is light in weight and but the demerit is that it is a little bit expensive. Here you can see the diagram showing wood partition. Asbestos sheet. Wooden frame is used to fix the sheets from the partition. They are lighter in weight, thin and cheaper. To make it more strong, specially manufactured asbestos slabs are used. Fire resistant and asbestos sheet makes it have a good heat and sound insulation property. Here you can see the picture showing asbestos sheet. Clay or hollow bricks partition. They are made from clay, terracotta or concrete. They are light in weight, rigid, strong, economical and good insulation. They are available in variety of sizes. Here you can see the picture showing hollow brick partition. So with this we have completed the classification of walls. If you have got any doubts, you can ask me in the official WhatsApp group.